Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you what the CoinUp Exchange is. CoinUp is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that offers spot trading, futures trading, crypto conversions, and other digital asset services. The platform also provides features like staking, rewards, and its own ecosystem token CPX. To get started, you'll need to create an account, complete identity verification if required, and secure your account with two-factor authentication. Once verified, you can deposit crypto and begin trading on the platform. As with any crypto exchange, it's important to do your own research before depositing funds. Check the platform's fees, supported countries, security features, and recent user reviews. Always research carefully and use proper security practices before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.